my name is Romina Zan, and today we are going to talk about matrix multiplication, the 2 by 2 case. Let's recall how a matrix looks like. For example, let's take 5, minus 3, 7, and 11. This is a 2 by 2 matrix because it has 2 elements on each row and each column. Now, we are going to take 2 matrices in their general form. Let's take A equals to A1, 1, A1, 2, A2, 1, and A2, 2. If you look at the first element, we can see that our first one represents the row and the second one represents the column. On the second element, the 1 represents the row and 2 represents the column. On the third element, 2 represents the row because it's the second row, and 1 represents the column, it's the first column. And A2, 2, the first 2 represents the second row, and the second 2 represents the second column. And our second matrix B, B1, 1, B1, 2, B2, 1, B2, 2. A and B are both 2 by 2 matrices. Now we are going to try to multiply these together. I'll just copy them down. A1, 1, A1, 2, A2, 1, A2, 2, times by B1, 1, B2, 1, B1, 2, B2, 1, B2, 2. In order to find our first element, we are going to take the first row from matrix A and the first column from matrix B. We are going to multiply element by element and then add the products together. So we are going to have A1, 1 times by B1, 1 plus A1, 2 times by B2, 1. And we are going to follow the pattern for the rest of the elements. For my second element, we are going to take the first row from matrix A and the second column from matrix B. And we'll have A1, 1 times by B1, 2 plus A1, 2 times by B2, 2. For our third element, we are going to use the second row from matrix A and the first column from matrix B. A2, 1 times B1, 1 plus A2, 2 times B2, 1. And for our last element, we are going to use the second row from matrix A and the second column from matrix B. A2, 1 times B1, 2 plus A2, 2 times B2, 2. So our result is the answer to the multiplication of these 2 matrices. It's also a 2 by 2 matrix. So I'm going to show you a special case of a matrix. This is called the identity matrix. It has 1 on the main diagonal and zeros for the rest of the elements. The identity matrix play the same role as number 1 does. If we multiply any matrix with the identity matrix, we are going to obtain the same matrix. Okay, thank you for listening.